Hello everybody, this is the first time I make a video and post it on Facebook. Now let's start with the first term of the lesson, Grace and the Little Dog. In Hanoi, Vietnam, there is a girl named Grace. She is 19 years old. Grace buys a new bicycle. It's a beautiful blue bike. While riding down the road, Grace sees a small dog. The dog has brown fur and is very cute. Grace calls out, "Hello, little dog." The dog looks at her and wags its tail. She asks, "What's your name?" The dog continues to wag its tail and ignore her. She says, "I want to play with you. I will give you a cookie." The dog runs closer to Grace, looks at her, and sits down. She says, "Good dog, you're so smart." She gives the dog a cookie and it happily eats it. Then the dog runs out to play with another dog. Grace stands there smiling. She says, "Such a cute dog. Today is a fun day." Grace gets back on her bike and rides home, still thinking about the cute dog. The end. Thank you for your listening.